Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you insert this type of tick marks in your Word document. So let's get started. First of all, I just erase this one. Go to Insert tab near the Home tab. Click on Symbol and go to More Symbols. Here you have click on this drop down menu and search for Wingdings 2. Here you can find this tick mark and click on Insert. Okay, whenever you click on insert, this tick mark will be inserted in the background. But what if we want to insert it with a shortcut key? How we can do this? Later on, whenever you insert it for the first time, you can just click on symbol and click here. But I want to insert it with a shortcut key. How can I do this? So for example, I write this shortcut key and press space. So you can see that tick mark is inserted, but I have created this shortcut key manually. Okay, how you can do this? Click on symbol, click on more symbol, click on the symbol that you want to insert with the shortcut key. Now click on autocorrect. Here in the replace section, write down a shortcut key that you want to replace with this tick mark. So let's suppose I write tick 1. Okay, already I have tick, but I click on add. So I click on OK. I click on close. So whenever I write tick 1 and press space, you can see the tick mark is automatically inserted. So you can assign any shortcut key to any of the symbol available here. If you want to click on this one, assign a shortcut key like tick 2, so you can assign it and click on OK and click on close. So now whenever you will write tick 2, so this tick box will be inserted here. Thanks for watching. This is all about the video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you like this.